REALWEAR firmware over-the-air update 8.09 is now available for download via the Wireless Update application. Version 8.09 offers several new features to help you work more efficiently. REALWEAR has improved the speech engine, allowing for greater accuracy of speech command recognition, as well as decreased time between vocalized commands, allowing you to speak commands more rapidly.
My programs, my files, my documents, select item 1.
Enhanced settings now allow you to toggle between both of the standard Bluetooth modes. These settings can be changed in the My Controls screen. When in Bluetooth Master Mode, your HMT-1 can send information to a Bluetooth-enabled device. For instance, audio can be easily routed to an external Bluetooth speaker. In Bluetooth Slave Mode, it can receive incoming information from an external Bluetooth source, such that it can be used as a Bluetooth headset paired with your smartphone. The SD card is now configured for portable use, allowing you to easily transfer photos and videos taken on the HMT-1 to a separate computer or other HMT-1. To use, open the side SD card panel using a Phillips head screwdriver and insert a micro SD card. Then, navigate to the My Controls screen and say Use Card to switch storage location. Dictation has been localized to the device for the English, Chinese, and German languages, meaning that for these languages, a Wi-Fi connection is no longer required for speech-to-text functionality in the speech keyboard. You can turn on local dictation for these languages by saying My Controls, then Local Dictation. From the speech keyboard, say Dictation, then speak freely to capture text. The auto mute function has been made available by default in version 8.09. When the device is left idle and no head movement is detected for 30 seconds, the microphone will automatically mute, preventing unwanted or accidental speech commands from being detected. To unmute, tap the action button located beside the power button. To deactivate this setting, go to My Controls and say Disable Auto Mute. In situations in which you have the display pointed away from your field of view, you can still communicate via the newly enabled rear microphones. For instance, while engaged in a remote mentor call, you can swing the boom arm out of the way to focus on the task at hand. Switching to the rear microphones will allow you to continue the conversation hands-free, with nothing impeding your line of sight. To toggle between the display pod microphones and the rear microphones, simply tap the action button 3 times consecutively.
Using rear microphones.
Lastly, the new Power Manager tool allows you to sleep, power off, and reboot the device hands-free, making it easy to power cycle during situations in which the use of your hands is critical. When the battery is low, the system will provide indication and offer Power Manager options to hot swap or dismiss. You can now perform a hot swap of the HMT-1 battery, maintaining the state of all open applications without the need for a full power cycle. To do so, go to My Programs, Power Manager, Swap Battery, then say Start Swap. The screen will go dark and the device will enter hot swap mode, relying on the internal battery and allowing you to swap the battery in the rear compartment. When the battery has been swapped, tap the power button to return to the Power Manager menu. Say Navigate Home to pick up right where you left off. For any questions regarding the firmware over-the-air update, please contact support@realwear.com.